Greetings, dear viewers. Today we're going to talk about 4 important rules that could be the key to your financial freedom. In a world where finances play a role in every aspect of our lives, knowing how to manage your money can make a big difference. Let's explore these rules together and find out how they can help you achieve financial wellness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like to stay up to date with all of our financial tips. Let's get started. Have you heard of the Bybit platform? It is the best platform for earning and investing in digital assets. Interesting? That's not all. And with the promo code in the description of the video, you will get $1,000 for registration. So here we go. Chapter 1, the 50/30/20 rule. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple and effective strategy for managing personal finances. This rule was described by Elizabeth Warren in her book All Your Worth, The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. It helps you determine how you allocate your income and how to balance your current needs, desired spending, and savings. Here's how this rule works. 150% for basic needs. This portion of your income, 50%, should be allocated to cover basic living expenses such as housing, rent or mortgage, food, transportation, utilities, medical expenses, and insurance. These are financial obligations that must be met to maintain a basic level of comfort. 230% for desired expenses, wants. This portion of your income, 30%, is earmarked for expenses that bring you pleasure and improve your quality of life. This can include entertainment, restaurants, traveling, hobbies, and other extra spending. These are expenses that you can afford but are not urgent. 320% for savings and investments. This portion of your income, 20%, should be allocated to savings and investments. This includes saving for emergencies, retirement, investing in stocks, and other investment opportunities. These funds help you build financial stability and ensure future financial well-being. Following the 50/30/20 rule helps you strike a balance between meeting your current needs, enjoyment, and financial security. It also allows you to track how your income is being used and keep a close eye on your finances. You can set up automatic transfers to comply with this rule and ensure your finances are consistently managed. 2. The golden rule of investing. The golden rule of investing means that instead of putting all your money into one asset or asset class, you should spread your investment portfolio across different assets and investment classes. Include stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and maybe even alternative investments like cryptocurrencies or art. Why it's important. 1. Spreading risk. Diversity helps reduce the risk associated with fluctuations in individual assets or market sectors. If one asset falls in value, others can keep your investment stable. 2. Balance returns and risk. Different assets have different levels of risk and return. Allocating funds between them allows you to balance expected returns and the level of risk appropriate to your financial goals and risk tolerance. 3. Long-term growth. Diversity also contributes to the long-term growth of your portfolio. Different investments can perform at different points in time, which can contribute to overall growth. Note that the specific allocation of funds in your portfolio should depend on your financial goals, your investment time horizon, and risk tolerance level. It's a good idea to consult a financial advisor or use online tools to determine the optimal portfolio that fits your needs. 3. The principle of automating finances. The principle of automating finances is a money management strategy that involves setting up automatic processes to manage your finances. This principle helps make managing your finances more convenient, efficient, and disciplined. Here's how it works. 1. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers from your current account to a savings account, investment account, or other accounts as per your financial goals. This will allow you to set aside money for savings and investments on a regular basis, even if you forget to do so. 2. Automatic payments. Set up automatic payments for regular bills such as loans, mortgages, utilities, and insurance. This ensures you never miss a payment or fall into arrears. 3. Budgeting and tracking. Use budgeting apps and programs to automatically track your expenses and income. Many such tools allow you to set up spending categories and receive notifications when you exceed your budget. However, you should monitor the automated processes regularly to make sure they are aligned with your current financial goals and circumstances. Fourth, debt management rule. A debt management rule is a set of strategies and principles that help you effectively manage and reduce debt. Debt management can be a key aspect of financial wellness. Here are some important debt management principles and rules. 1. Make a plan. Assess your total debt and make a repayment plan. Determine which debts have the highest interest rates and start by paying them off. This can be known as the snowball method, where you pay off the most expensive debt first, then move on to the next, and so on. 2. Budget for debt repayment. Allocate a certain amount of money in your budget for debt repayment. This should be a mandatory monthly payment just like any other bill. 3. Set aside credit cards. If you have problems with credit cards, stop using them. Switch to debit cards or cash to avoid accumulating more debt. Debt management requires discipline and patience, but it's an important step toward financial stability and freedom. Strict adherence to these rules will help you gradually reduce your debts and improve your financial situation. Summarizing. In conclusion, dear friends, financial freedom is not just an abstract dream. It is a goal that each of us can achieve by following a few important rules. We've looked at 4 key principles that will help you move towards this goal: budgeting, investing, automating your finances, and managing debt. Remember that the road to financial freedom isn't always easy and requires effort and self-discipline. But every step you take today brings you closer to a future where your finances work for you, not the other way around. Remember to learn, grow, and put that knowledge into practice. And remember, financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about how you use your financial resource to achieve your life goals and dreams. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get even more useful information about finance and personal development. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom.